There, in this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about sending a mail quota. It means that if you have a client user in a domain, an Exchange server, and you want the particular user to have some restriction on sending a mail, then you can very easily have that restriction over there. Now, for example, if I have a user called a cache and having a mailbox there, user is there. So, for example, if I wants to restrict, then we go to the properties of the mailbox, and let me tell you what next it can be. What next we needs to done to actually restrict a user for you can even give a restriction on sending a mail, or you can give a restriction on receiving a mail, or you can give a restriction on both. Basically, we do have this situation out there. Now, when you go into mail flow settings, this is the option. You will get the options of restrictions. So at that settings, basically you can restrict the sender option or receiving option. So this is how in infrastructure environment companies are infrastructure environments, companies were restricting user, because it's not that every user, if eligible, will definitely get the mail rights, but till what extent he will going to get that mail rights, that's the important thing. Because if he's is in a managing label, he may not have that thing to do, and if he's not reporting to the superior authority, and if he have a chain that his manager will talk with the superior authority, or a manager's manager will talk with the superior authority. So basically the floor manager or operation manager or subject management like subject manager in operations will get the extra rights, because he get the options to basically understand the board what exactly the thing is. So at the mail flow settings, you have three options called delivery options, and another is an accept mails. Now you can edit about the delivery restrictions that and you can even restrict about the message size. Now I don't want this particular user not to send a message to any other colleague, but I can give a sending message size. Even I can give a receiving message restriction as well, but as of now I'm providing a sending only, that this particular user not able to send a data till that extent. For example, as of now I've say 5 KB, could be more, but because to prove that whether it works or not, I have chosen 5 KB only for sending option. Otherwise receiving option as well, if someone has sent, you will get the direct mail message that you're not authorized to get the mail, and even the sender will get the message that this particular person you are trying to contact not authorized to get this much size mail. So that will be restricted, that it's not able to access. So let me check in the mailbox. In the mail browser, we are going to access via OWA, because we are accessing mail via OWA only. So let me find it out and provide the details only. It will take some time. Give me a moment, let me check that. Okay, so we are in Mozilla Firefox, and we are going to give a link https slash exchange server 1, which is our exchange server name, then our domain name techengineertv.in/owa, the app from which we are going to access our exchange mailbox outlook web app. So it's a freeware we can access from our browser. Let me give our domain name. Now, for example, the user on which we have the restriction. So that is a cache. Give a password. Then okay. It will try to send a mail from a cache. So it's opening. Okay, so we are now logged in with Akash account. Now we try to send a new mail. Okay, let me write some mail and let me add attachment into browse. Okay, in our desktop we have that picture, that is UD, and then try to attach. So it's giving me an error. It's saying that it's having exceed the maximum size, and that is more than that. So I'm unable to attach the file because it's asking me, stopping me to attach the file. So that's the reason. So Cache not able to even attach the file. So in some of the browser will not allow to. For example, if you're using the old Internet Explorer, you might able to attach the file, might able to send the file as well, but you will get the mail back from the exchange that you're not allowed to send that much size extension, that is the attachment. So now I'm able to log in with a different ID, and let me try to attach the same file from Simon King, the user I'm as of now having. So I'm able to attach, and there is no error message from the same browser I'm doing that, because to prove that whether this particular browser is set it to get even attachments or not. So I'm putting a subject over there and send a mail to Akash itself. Now we have restrict Akash to send a attachment more than 5 KB, but we didn't restrict Akash to receive a mail of attachment more than 5 KB. So definitely this Akash user will able to log in and will able to have the file of more than 5 KB. Let me tell you. Let me log in with the link, which is HTTPS so same link, https:/exchange server 1.techengineertv.in/owa. Okay, continue anyway, and then we'll log in with Akash. then the password. Look, Simon can just send a mail, and mail is received as well. You can see that Akash is have the attachments received of 13 KB. So as I mentioned that Akash can easily receive the mail, but if we restrict on the receiving as well, then Akash will not able to get the mail as well. He will get that Simon King, basically the user who has sent the mail, will get that error. Thanks for watching.